Hello Key Stage 2, welcome to your weekly challenge. So this is the challenge that's a little bit longer in the week and we're going to do a few different activities. Our focus today is going to be on balancing and different types of balancing. Okay, so I just wanted you to get warmed up. What we're going to do to get warmed up is we're going to be focusing on some hand-eye coordination. So you can get yourself a ball, a sock. If you want it to be hard, we're going to use a small ball, and all we're going to use is the palm of our hands to try and keep the ball up for as long as we can. Off you go, give that a try. Spend about 2-3 minutes on it. Now, to make that slightly harder, I've still got my ball, and what I've done is I've given myself a really small area. I'm going to have a go again, and I'm going to try and keep my feet inside of this area the whole time. So I'm just hitting the ball up in my hand. To make it more difficult, I might switch and use the back of my palm. Okay, so I managed to lose the ball there as it is a lot harder. If I want to make it even harder, I'm going to switch from front to back. Okay, give that a try. Again, 2 to 3 minutes, just practicing keeping that ball up. Count how many you can do, off you go. Key Stage 2, so we're now going to go on to some gymnastics balancing. It's been a very long time since you've done gymnastics. I believe it would have been last year, as we haven't had a chance to go in the hall this year because of Corona. So I want you to remind yourself of 4 different types of balances. First of all, a 1-point balance. So can I balance on 1 point of my body? Okay, I've just shown you a really simple one. That's probably the one you're all going to choose to do, but I want you to give that a try for around 15 seconds. I then want you to come up with 3 different ways you can do a 2-point balance. So I'm going to give you the easy one. The easy one is my 2 feet. How else can I do a 2-point balance? So go away, give yourself a couple of minutes, show me a 2-point balance. Off you go. Now we've done our 2-point balance, we're going to try a 3-point balance. So again, 3 points of your body. Now you may be thinking, what classes as a point? Does my back class as a point? It doesn't. Our back is a patch. So a large part of our body is a patch. A small part of our body, for example, our foot, our hands, are points. Okay? So a 3-point balance, try and think of 2 or 3 of them, off you go. So as we just mentioned, patch balances. I want you now to have a little look at patch balances and what we could use as a patch balance. I'm going to show you one straight away. My patch balance is I'm going to use my bum and I'm going to balance my legs up high and my arms out straight for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be my patch balance. Okay, so I'm using a big patch. I might use my back. Think of different areas you can do a patch balance. Off you go. Now, using maybe your sofa at home or an area that you think you can balance on, I'm just going to use a bench as I'm very lucky. You need to find somewhere you can balance on. You're going to combine 3 different balances. So maybe it could be 2 patches and 1 point. Maybe it's 2 points, 1 patches. Maybe you're going to do 3 points. Okay? You're going to combine 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'm then going to step. I'm going to do my second balance, which is going to be the one I showed you earlier. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to stand up, and I'm then going to move on, and I'm going to do my third balance, which I'm going to use my back, like so. 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to try and add transitions in between your 3 patches. So what is a transition? A transition is the move to get from your first point to your second point. Okay, so my transition, I might be here, and then I'm going to use the transition to come down to move in to my second balance. Give that a try, send in your videos, we're really excited to see. So we've done our 3-part routine, we've added transitions in. Now what I'm going to get you to do is add in 2 movements, so it's going to be a 5-part routine. So I might add in a skip, I might add in jumping into my routine. So I'll show you now. 1, 2, 3. I might then go for a 3-point, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's just go for one more balance. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I want you to try and combine all them different parts. I know it's a little bit more difficult at home trying this, okay, but use your home as much as you can. Maybe you're using your sofa, maybe you're using a bed, okay, the hallway, but try and use your area well. Good luck, send in all your videos, we can't wait to see.